Hi, I'm Pete. This is our level Overland. Alright, well, I'm going to run into the Jeep Armory and just check in with Brian and see if he's about ready to start building this rack and try to set up a time frame schedule. Oh, the sun is bright in my eyes with all the snow out. But so yeah, I'm going to run in and talk to Brian about that rack, see when we can get scheduled to get it built, and get working on episode 4 in the series. Part 4, however you want to look at that. Oh man, I gotta get my sunglasses on. The sun is bright coming off the snow. But we'll talk to you soon. Come on, Frank, let's go for a ride, buddy. Oh, gotta unlock the doors. There you go. Oh, good boy. Alright, so I went over and seen Brian yesterday. The sun is still glaring. Where's my glasses at? Oh, sorry, kind of shaky. Alright, that's better. So I went over and seen Brian at the Jeep Armory yesterday, and he's placing an order for the steel tubing to build the rack. So that's going to be just a little bit still, but me and Frank got some errands to run, so we're going to go for a little ride. Right, Frank? Ah, boy. Nope, stay back there.